In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of being unable to log into the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. Whether it's for downloading new apps, updating your current ones, or just browsing through what the store offers, being locked out can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to help you get back in with just a few straightforward steps. So, let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start with the Start menu. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen. On your toolbar, the icon looks like a little flag or window. Go ahead and click on that. This is basically your doorway to all of your computer's functions, and it's where we're going to kick things off today. Next, from the Start menu, you'll want to head straight over to Settings. This will be listed as one of the options, typically towards the left-hand side of your screen, often represented by a little gear icon. Clicking on Settings will open up a new window with several different options for you to choose from and adjust. Once you're inside the settings window, your next move is to click on System. It's usually the first option you see and is easily recognizable because it often showcases a computer monitor icon. This section is essentially where you can control most of the operational settings of your device. Moving along, we need to zero in on the Troubleshoot option. Troubleshoot is a very useful tool because it's designed to help you diagnose and automatically fix many common problems that you might experience in Windows. You'll find it by scrolling down through the list of options in the System menu. Click on Troubleshoot, and from here it's a good idea to review any recommendations or suggested fixes that your system might prompt you with. This could potentially resolve your login issues with the Microsoft Store. Sometimes the troubleshooter will ask you a series of questions to narrow down the problem more specifically, so don't be afraid to click through these prompts to gather more information. And there you have it. We've navigated through some essential parts of your system to tackle the login issue. Remember, these steps should help you resolve the issue for the Microsoft Store specifically, and it often clears up many underlying issues with the login process. If you continue to experience problems, it might be worth investigating additional solutions or reaching out to the official Microsoft support team for further assistance. Thank you for following along with this guide to fix your login issue with the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. Now you can get back to exploring and enjoying everything the store has to offer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.